Hi, it's Mike with Itty Bitty Microfarm. In this video series, we're going to be going over adding GAIA Green into the soil and seeing if we get better growth, more yield, better flavor, better color of the microgreens. And we're going to get in this video. We're going to start now. All right, now that we got that GAIA mixed all in with our soil and we got our mix made, we're going to go ahead and fill the tray here for our sunflower grow that we're doing. And we got 5 other ones that we're doing normal, and then this one that we're doing the test on with the GAIA. It'll be in pink. The other ones will be blue and black. And that way we'll be able to tell the difference and see if we get better yield out of this or not with the sunflower grow. Let's fill the tray. All right, we're gonna water these in like normal, like we do on all our other tray making. If you wanna check out that tray making video, you can check that out of how we put the trays together and everything else, but it's similar to this process, but you can check that video out. All right, so we're gonna get our sunflower spread out on here. You can check this also out in our sunflower making video our normal one. We're gonna spread these out on here, and then we'll come back and spread them out. Okay, we got the sunflowers all seeded. We do seed it the exact same way. Actually, versus our sunflower one, we have gone up in seed density. If you have checked that video out, we're up to 6 ounces on these ones that we're doing now and getting great yield out. So hopefully we'll get even better yield with this GAIA fertilizer in it. So we're going to go ahead and water these in and get them stacked. And remember, if you get any value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification to get notifications every time we shoot a video out. And we're gonna get these stacked now and put over in germination. All right, we're gonna get these in germination. Like we said, we're going to 6i like normal, and we're going to germinate these for 4 days is our new germination for sunflowers, and then under light for 6 days. And we'll get them out after that, and we'll show you the yield and see if we get better yield out of them versus just the normal ones. So we'll show you that next. Okay, here we are on day 10 of the sunflower experiment with the GAIA Green in it versus no fertilizer. This is the normal one, is normal, no fertilizer in it. That's about what we normally get and everything there on the growth. Looks pretty good, nice and thick, but this one is the GAIA, and it is tremendously heavier filling. So I think we got much better yield out of this one, but we'll see when we cut it here. It looks thicker, everything else kind of falling over because it gets so thick. So let's see what we get out of them. All right, we're going to harvest the sunflowers now and get in and grab it in bunches. It is a thick grow, so you got to kind of work your way in there and harvest them in bunches. And we're not going to take the seed hulls off of these. This is just a weight experiment, although most of the seed hulls are already off, as the method we do, as you can see in our how to grow sunflowers video, and how we get the seed hulls off of them for the most part. So you can check that one out as well after you get done watching this one. We'll finish harvesting the tray. All right, as you can see, we're done with the tray here, harvesting. Now, you're gonna see a bigger yield than you do in our how to grow video here because we have increased our seed density that we're using for sunflowers now, as we are up to 6 ounces, and we will have a video coming out about that and the reason why we went up to that. But here you can see we got 25.9 ounces, which is on the higher end for where we're normally getting around 24 ounces. So this one is on a higher end, and we're gonna get into the GAIA Green one and see what we get out of that. All right, we're gonna start harvesting the GAIA Green sunflowers here, just doing the exact same way, spreading them and getting them in bunches and cutting them just above the soil line. And we will get this one harvested and see if we come up with more than we got on the normal one without GAIA Green. And again, we are not getting the seed hulls off or anything like that. We're just cutting this to see what the yield is. Normally we would be de-seeding all the hulls off of this one, but if you watch our normal video, again, we show you how to do that. And make sure you like this video if you're getting value out of it. It really does help the channel get out to more people. We really appreciate that. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel, as we will be bringing out more videos, and also in this series there's a lot more videos, so we appreciate it. All right, finishing up, just getting all the stragglers out here and everything. So you want to make sure you get all that when you do harvest and everything else. But we did get more yield out of this one, as you can see. We got 26.7 ounces, so slightly more. So it did yield more yield, which is always good when you're trying to maximize space and everything else. And we will get into the next grow, and we will show you how we do that one. You can watch it here, or you can also watch our sunflower how to grow video. Again, this yield is much higher when we're doing stuff because we are seeding at a higher yield on these now. So you can check that one out as well, and we'll see you in the next one.